So here are my final thoughts, or some additional final thoughts that you'll see in the review on the ZimaBoard. I like it. I really like it. I still am a big Raspberry Pi OS fan and user. Many Raspberry Pis. I've probably got 4 Raspberry Pi 4s running different things now, like Plex server, etc. But I wanted something for my 10G, with 10G for my data storage. Buying a regular NAS out of the box with 10G Ethernet can be very expensive. This is a great solution because of the PCIe external slot. As you can see here, I converted that drive, that 1 terabyte drive, into storage. Call it storage 1. And I'm gonna add additional drives. I have another SATA slot. Like I said, I just have to get a cable that works where I can add another drive. And then there is USB, right? I can add, the board has 2 USBs on it, so I could conceivably continue to add storage here for quite a long time. Run some Linux software, create some redundancy, but the redundancy is actually between my main machine, which has huge drives, and backup drives. But I think ZimaBoard did a great job with this. I like the fact that the ZimaBoard is an actual, unlike the Raspberry Pi, it comes as an actual machine, right? In the sense that it's got the case built on, it's got the cooling built on with the fins, comes with an OS, comes with memory from an OS. You can still run an OS. If you look at videos on YouTube, you'll see you can run an OS from a USB or an SSD drive while still maintaining the Casa OS, simply by having it boot to that SSD drive or USB drive. So I think the flexibility here is great. I think it costs, the cost is cost effective compared to what a NAS costs. And so far, I like it. I will keep loading data on it and see how it works especially when I get my other 10G machine run up and running. All my switches are 10G, by the way, in case anyone wondered. So I connected that the ZimaBoard by the SFP cable into a SFP port on a 10 gig switch. All the switches on my network have 10G ports as well as 2.5G ports. If you look at some of my previous reviews, you'll see I have one that's auto sensing on all the ports, plus 2 10G SFP ports. So I've got the infrastructure. I just need to get the machines. And I'm still looking to get smaller machines that have maybe just 1 PCIe port, because I don't want the big bulky machines anymore. But I want to be able to install the OS on it. So I think one of my next things will be, and I'm just giving you a view of this as I conclude here, one of the next decisions I may make is to buy another ZimaBoard, put another 10G card into it, load Windows Tiny 11 on that one, and maybe, just maybe, that can become one of my machines that I do some editing on. If it has enough, the applications these days are not power hogs as they used to be, so, or resource hogs, I should say. So maybe it'll work. But for now, my final thoughts on the ZimaBoard is very well done. From a Raspberry Pi lover, very well done.